So in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, go to Settings and enter Display and Brightness. From the top of the list we can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Next we can enable dark mode, eye comfort mode, that we can also schedule or enable all day, and change its filter level. Then we can enable or disable flicker reduction. Next we can enable or disable ebook mode, change text size and weight, change display size, sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, change color mode and temperature between normal, vivid, default, warm, or custom. Next we can change screen resolution between high, smart, and low, and change screen refresh rate between dynamic, high, and standard. In the end, we can change full screen display for apps, height notch, and enable or disable display carrier name in status bar and network speed in status bar. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.